Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are reviewing the Schwarzkopf Professional Igora Royal Permanent Hair Color, 9:1 Extra Light Blonde Cendre. If you've been looking for a high-quality hair dye with excellent coverage and long-lasting color, this could be the product you've been searching for. Schwarzkopf Professional has been a trusted name in hair care for years, and their Igora Royal line takes hair coloring to the next level. The 9:1 Extra Light Blonde Cendre is perfect for those who want to achieve a stunning, cool-toned blonde with amazing depth. This product promises to provide long-lasting color with superior coverage, making it an excellent option for those with gray hair or anyone wanting a flawless finish. What makes Igora Royal stand out is its technology that ensures not only a vibrant color result but also strengthens the hair. It's enriched with advanced color technology that helps maintain hair structure while enhancing shine, giving you a glossy, radiant look. Whether you're coloring at home or a professional stylist, you can expect professional-grade results. This color also offers protection from the daily elements, including UV and pollution, which can be damaging to your hair. Application is simple, and the cream formulation is easy to mix and apply, providing an even color distribution without any mess. The color is highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way, and it ensures deep, rich color that lasts longer compared to many other brands. Plus, the product comes in a 60-gram tube, which is just the right amount for most applications. Whether you're touching up your roots or coloring your entire hair, the Schwarzkopf Professional Igora Royal 9:1 Extra Light Blonde Cendre will give you the professional quality and results that are often only found in salons. It's gentle on the hair and keeps it looking healthy and shiny. This hair color is perfect for anyone who wants to enhance their blonde tones with a cool, fresh, and vibrant shade. If you're looking for a premium hair dye that gives great results and keeps your hair in top condition, this product from Schwarzkopf is definitely worth trying. That's it for today's review of the Schwarzkopf Professional Igora Royal Permanent Hair Color, 9:1 Extra Light Blonde Cendre. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.